Hey guys, how's it going? How to remove iOS 18 developer beta from iPhone. So what you're gonna do first, go ahead and make sure that your internet connection is solid, right? And then basically what you're gonna do next, go ahead and click on your name or Apple ID at the top. And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the iCloud, right? Scroll a little bit down till you find the iCloud backup, right? And make sure that you back up the iCloud, right? Now go back to the main setting. What you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to the general, right? And then go ahead to the software update and make sure that you updated your iOS to the latest version. And basically you're gonna see under the automatic update, you're gonna notice a beta update, right? Or iOS developer beta. And make sure that you'll toggle this one off once you click on it, just like this, right? You're gonna see the beta and all that stuff. Toggle this one off. Same settings. You're gonna notice, but you're gonna notice the same settings, but instead you're gonna notice or see beta updates under the automatic updates. Now, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to the general, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the device and VPN management. Make sure that you disconnect it from it, right? Because it violates the policies and regulations, right? And if the problem persists, then turn off Find My iPhone, and after this, connect your iPhone with PC. Remove iOS update using Reboot or iTunes. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for